What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
Actually, I've studied today in your CAD. After the Asian range manipulation.
Yeah.
As you can see here, I took a long, but after Asian range manipulation, change of character has occurred. Yeah, in the 3 minutes time frame. If you go to the 3 minutes time frame, not this one. This one. Yeah, here, 3 minutes time frame.
That was nice. Yeah.
Here, as you can see, change of character has occurred. I actually entered right here. Yeah, and I actually went to profit, but then price went down. So in this kind of situation, it was actually 1 to 5 or 1 to 4. I don't know. I was actually 1 to. Yeah, I was targeting the Asian. Yeah, I was targeting this thing, but I've seen like price goes down. So I was like thinking, should I just close the trade? Should I just wait for it? I was like already 1 to maybe 1 to 3. So in this kind of situation, in the challenge, do you think when I realized something like that, should I just close the trade or just wait for the price to hit break even?
If you set a target, I will wait for the target. Just make sure it is a good target, because here, let's see.
Yeah.
If you kind of look at it from a retail point of view, this is like a support level. And because, you know, we create it, touch it, touch it again, come back, touch it again, touch it one more time, touch it one more time, we are going to break it. You know, there is a ton of liquidity down here.
Yeah.
This is a retail support level. But other than that, not just set a target. If you set it for Asian highs, then you wait for Asian highs. I'm personally not a fan of taking partials, so I would not recommend you that. If you want to do it, then you need to create a strategy that you know that works by doing that. For me, the best is either I have a loss or I have a full win, you know.
But what do you think in challenge? Do you think like my goal is just to be risking like 1 to 3 risk reward ratio in order to pass the challenge?
I would say minimum 1 to 3.
Yeah.
Here, if you had a 1 to 3, would have been great. Right?
Yeah.
This minimum 1 to 3, yeah, minimum 1 to 3, and I don't want to put a limit because you can have 1 to 10 trades. It's just I will not look. I usually don't look for above 1 to 10 because I just know that once I'm like 1 to 7, 1 to 8, I'm good with taking profits.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. I also actually took a trade today on USD CAD. It went really, really good. The same thing happened.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, this is.
You can see. Yeah.
So I see the lower time frames confirmation here.
But the thing is, I was targeting the internal liquidity because overall we were bearish.
Yeah.
And if we were bearish, we target the next internal liquidity. So I took the profit, but you know, just price kept going up.
Well, yeah, we were kind of bearish also considering this
Yeah,
charter here.
because this change of character has occurred, so I just thought like, were you gonna go bearish?
The entry,
Yeah, that's the entry.
we took this entry and stop loss here.
Yeah,
This is already good. Even if you just target internal liquidity or
yeah.
you
Target
target
internal
here,
liquidity.
you know, yeah, 1 to 3, 1 to 3 is fine. As long as
1 to
if
3.
it's not below 1 to 3, then you can take it.
Yeah, it was like 1 to 2.98, so it's basically 1 to 3.
It works.
Yeah.
I'm just saying like 1 to 2.5, it's already not that great.
Yeah. So that's that was the trade actually.
Perfect. No, it's nice.
So Edward, like how many losses I take to stop trading for the day in the funding challenge?
Me personally, 2.
So if I take 2, I stop trading for the day.
That's what I recommend. Yeah, because
Yeah.
at least for me, from how I view the market, you know, I need to wait for good setups. If they're not that good, then I don't take the trade. So if I take two trades in a day, which doesn't really happen that often, I usually take 1 or 0 or sometimes 2. Then if I take 2 trades and both are loss, it means that I either didn't select the trades that good, or that I just need to stop trading for the day because it didn't respect my analysis. Sometimes it just doesn't, and I need to move on for the next day. But you know, if I took,
what if you like you checked in there was like an opportunity, like after doing 2 trades and you see that there's like a really good opportunity, would you take the trade or just stick to the rules? And
so let's say trading wise, it would be correct to take the trade. The reason why this is because let's say you had a minus 2%, you know, with a 1 to 5, 1 to 4, you can cover it and go to profit. The thing is that in this case, it is not really about trading. It is more about mental discipline. It is more discipline wise. And therefore, I don't want to mess up my discipline with taking this decision, basically, by taking this decision. So it is not about trading anymore. It is just a mental thing. And I just know that I have to stop after 2, and I need to be able to control myself to not take any more trade personally. This is me. Of course, I'm not saying that it must be this way for everyone. But this is how I reason. Also because, you know, in the beginning of my trading, I was struggling with over trading, taking too many trades. So I know that if I go against my rules, then I can just, you know, I'm not evolving. I'm going back. So to answer again, trading wise, it will be, if it is a good opportunity, everything is aligned. Yes, it would be smart to take the trade, and because you can recover and actually go to profit. Plan is not the best to take it, but you need to make your own plan. If you say that you take maximum 1 trade per day, then it's 1. If you say that you can take 2, then it's 2. If you say 3, then it's 3. Just make it, and then you keep it that way.
Yeah. So for you, like personally, would you take that trade? Like if there's
no, I wouldn't. I would take 2 trades.
You would stick to the plan.
Yeah.
What about the winning trades though? Like how many winning trades do you take per day? Like to stop?
Oh, it used to be 3, but also that it became 2. I just stopped it.
Oh, it became 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know we might like lose the 3rd trade and just said I want to enter another trade.
Yeah.
And so it's better just to take 2 trades and stop. So you recommend that for me in the funding challenge? Take 2 trades. If I win them, I stop trading for the day.
Yeah, or the only exception could be that.
The thing is, you might actually like if I take 2 trades per day, if that happened, actually, you might just win the challenge, but you actually can't pass the challenge because it says 5 minimum trading days, right?
Yeah. The only option which could be is that after 2 winning trades, if you take the 3rd, I don't take the 3rd one, but I'm saying depending on which plan you make for yourself. If you want to take the third one, you take it with half risk. So it's not that important. You know, you either make some more, let's say it is a 1 to 3, you make 1.5% more, you know, or you just don't take it.
Yeah.
Or if you lose 0.5, it's not that important because you just had 2 winning trades and each one is minimum a 1 to 3 restore ratio, which means that you just made a lot, either 6% or 3%, depending on the risk that you're using.
Yeah. But the thing is, like, I don't understand why is it like 5 minimum trading days? Like, do they want me to trade like 5 times a week, like 5 days, all these days, in order to like
No,
for them
5
to
minimum trading days in general, in the 30 total days. So you have 30 days to pass the challenge. You need to trade minimum for 5 of them.
So if I like traded for 6 and then I pass the challenge on the 6th day, then I pass the challenge, right?
Yeah, but even if you pass it before, then you just keep taking trades with smaller risk, basically.
Yeah,
that's not a very important rule.
Yeah, smaller risk. Is it like smaller risk smaller than 0.5?
Yeah, like 0.1.
Yeah, okay.